Welcome to our GPU comparison video, where we will dive deep into the features and performance of the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070. Both graphics cards are designed for gamers looking for high performance, but they come with different specifications and price points. Let's explore what each card has to offer. When it comes to pricing, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT is priced at $349, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers. On the other hand, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 comes with a hefty price tag of $639. This significant difference in price raises the question, is the RTX 5070 worth the extra cost? Let's find out as we delve deeper into their performance and features. In terms of performance, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT boasts impressive specifications suitable for 1440p gaming. However, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 takes it a step further with its extreme performance capabilities, reaching clock speeds of up to 2557 MHz. This makes the RTX 5070 a powerhouse for high-end gaming and demanding applications. Let's compare how these cards perform in real-world gaming scenarios. Cooling solutions are crucial for maintaining optimal performance during gaming sessions. The PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT features standard cooling, which is adequate for most gaming needs. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 is equipped with advanced cooling technology, including dual fans, and a robust thermal management system. This ensures that the RTX 5070 remains cool under pressure, allowing for sustained performance during intense gaming. Let's see how these cooling solutions impact their overall performance. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 offer unique advantages for gamers. The RX 6750 XT is a more affordable option with solid performance, while the RTX 5070 provides extreme performance and advanced cooling features at a higher price point. Depending on your budget and gaming needs, either card could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.